Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to clone two or more Roblox without BIP. To do this, first open your Play Store and search for clone app. Now you can choose this app and install it. After install, open this app. Tap on agree and continue. Now tap on plus icon. Tap on agree. And now select or search Roblox. Tap on plus icon to install Roblox app here. Now you can change the Roblox app name and tap on clone. Now tap on plus icon again. Now tap on the plus icon to install second Roblox app. And you can choose the name and tap on clone. Now tap on get free BIP to install second Roblox app without BIP. Tap on get free BIP. And now watch these ads. After that, tap on redeem. Now open your both Roblox app from here. Now log in your different Roblox account and enjoy the game. Thank you.